welcome back to the channel. Today I'm just doing a quick tutorial on how to work shaker rib in the round. So as you can see, I am not actually working in the round. I am using a flat swatch to demonstrate rather than cast on all of the stitches I would need to work in the round, but this is how you will work this technique in the round for real. So shaker rib is a nice reversible stitch. On one side you get these kind of little squatty looking extra wide stitches, and on the opposite you get this nice smooth fisherman's rib. So this is a really versatile stitch since it is reversible, and you can use it on anything where both sides might show, or obviously the reason for this tutorial is to support the Finnegan's hat pattern, and that is a reversible hat. So as I said, I'm going to be demonstrating how to work this in the round, and it is actually quite simple. So in this case, all of our knit stitches are worked normally. It's the purl stitches that are just a little bit different. So we're going to knit our knit stitch. This is on the right or shaker rib side. Then we're going to bring the yarn forward. We're going to slip the purl stitch purlwise, and then we're going to knit the next stitch without moving the yarn back before we do so. So what that does is create a little wrap that goes along with the purl stitch. So all the knits are normal, regular knit stitches. The purls, we bring the yarn forward, we slip, and so normally if we were going to knit, we would bring the yarn to the back before knitting. We're not doing that. We're leaving the yarn in front and knitting the next stitch to make that little wrap that goes with each purl stitch. And we're just going to do that all the way across the row, knitting our stitches as normal and slipping our purls with the yarn in front. All right, so we've worked across our row. And as I said, we would be doing this in the round, which means we start back at the beginning. And in my case, I'm just pulling my yarn behind so I can demonstrate. You, however, would be at the beginning of your round. So again, we're just going to knit our knit stitch as normal. And then we get to our purl stitch, and the purl stitch has that little wrap. And we're just going to purl it together with the actual stitch. So we knit our knits, our purl has our little wrap, see it right there, and we just purl the little wrap and the purl stitch together. And that's it. That is the whole deal for shaker rib. One round, we slip our purl stitches with the yarn in front to make a wrap, and the next round we purl that little wrap together with the actual purl stitch. That's it. That's the whole thing. That's the whole pattern. Very simple. You get into a rhythm with it. Technically, these are referred to as slip one yarn over and brioche purl. So they are technically brioche stitches, but sometimes I think the terminology of the brioche can cause people anxiety for no reason. These are not difficult stitches. They're just regular stitches with a little flair, a little extra. So that is it. That is the whole pattern for your shaker rib in the round. So knit one, slip one yarn over, as it is called, where we slip the purl with the yarn in front on one round. The next round, knit one, brioche purl, which just means purl your stitch with its little wrap. That is it. That is the whole thing. And again, this is what you get on the right side. This is what you get on the wrong side. They are both lovely and make a nice reversible stitch. So there you have it. I hope you found this tutorial useful, especially if you are joining the Finnegan's Hat Knit Along beginning in January 2026. The Fananigans hat pattern features this shaker rib very prominently, so hopefully this tutorial is useful for you. Thanks so much for checking it out. I will see you soon in another video.